Hello my student, welcome to today's tutorial. So my name is Sir.Billy. So I'm from BSc Bachelor of Science degree in mathematics. So today I'm going to show you a simple method to derive quadratic general formula to obtain the general formula of quadratic equation in short and very easy. This method you can use it quickly to arrive at the general formula. Okay, so without wasting much of time, the quadratic equation say ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So in order to obtain this general formula, you take this c, go to right hand side, that is, it will be ax square plus bx will be equals to minus c. Okay, so you see we take c to that side. So the next thing you have to do is that just go ahead and multiply both sides by 4a. Let me write it for you. Multiply both sides. Okay, you're gonna multiply both sides by 4a. Okay, so this is the next step. Multiplying both sides by 4a, it will give you something like this. 4a, you open your bracket, multiply it by what? Ax square. Okay, then plus what? Bx, then close your bracket, will be equal to 4, will be equal to 4a open bracket, multiply that side with 4a again. Okay, it will give you minus ac. 4 minus that side is minus c, it will be minus c, something like this. Okay, you see, you multiply both sides by 4a. The next thing, then open your bracket. Okay, if you open your bracket, it's gonna give you something like this. 4a square and what? X square, then plus what? 4a again, 4a bx. All right, because you multiply it by left hand side, it gives you 4ax square, x square plus 4a bx is equal to, then multiply that side with 4a again, it will give you, if you open the bracket, it will give you minus 4ac. Okay, so that's it. So look at the left hand side very well and look at the right hand side very well. Now the next step you have to apply here is that you go to add again. We multiply, then we add both sides by b square. You add both sides by b square. Okay, so add both sides by b square, that is, it will give you something like this. 4a square x square, that is x, it will give 4a square x square plus 4a bx plus, then add that one that you say that adds both sides by b square, add b square, then it will give you equal to, then add b square to that side again, it will give you minus 4ac plus what? Plus b square. Okay, so you see, we add both side by b square. Now the next thing you have to do is that in this next step, look at the left hand side very well. Left hand side say 4a square x square plus 4a bx plus b square. Okay, so this one, when we simplify it, we express it in form of bracket, it will give us something like this. It will give us the bracket of 2ax then plus the bracket of 2ax plus b, then close bracket, then square. You see the left hand side will give us something like this: 2ax plus b, close your bracket, square, is equal to, then minus 4ac. Our minus 4ac will not change. 4ac plus what? Plus our b square. B square. Okay, so you see how we arrive this step. All right, so the next thing you have to do now, since we have square here in this side, we are going to eliminate this square of this side. That is, we take the square root of both sides. Let me write it for you. Take, it will be something like this. It will be something like this. We take the next thing we have to do is that we take the square root of both sides. Okay, that's the next step. We take the square root of both sides. That is, we put this into square. We put this into square root. It will give us something like this: the square root of bracket of what? 2ax, then plus what? Plus b, close bracket, square, will be equals to square root, square both sides, we say, as we say, square root of what? Then if you like, put it in bracket, or just leave it like that if you like. Minus 4ac, is square root of minus 4ac plus b square. Okay, so you see, now the next thing you have to do is that, this left hand side, look at it very well. This square can cancel this square root. When square cancels square root, will be something like this. We left with 2ax plus what? 2ax plus b will be equal to plus or minus, that is plus or minus what? Root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so if you look at this left hand side, square root, square can cancel square, we left with 2ax plus b. And then from the right hand side, that's square root of b square minus 4ac. We just interchange this from minus 4ac plus b square is the same thing as b square minus 4ac, because nothing changed. We just interchange it. Okay, now we take b to other side. That is, it will be something like this. It will be 2ax is equal to 2ax is equals to minus b plus or minus, then you write plus your plus or minus minus b plus or minus root of what? That's root of b square minus 4ac minus what? 4ac. Okay, you see, we take b to this side, it become negative, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. It is 4ac. Yes. So now the next thing we have to do is that since this left hand side is left 2ax, then now we divide both sides by, let me write it for you, we divide both sides by 2a, that is 2a. Okay, so you are looking the step, observe the step very well. It is not that kind difficult, but I'm just breaking it for you in order to understand it. That's why you see it. You see, it is just simple. Divide both sides by 2a. Okay, if you divide both sides by 2a, it gives you something like this, that is x will be equal to, if you divide both sides by 2a, x will be equals to minus b plus or minus, okay, minus b plus or minus root of what? Root of b square minus 4ac. all right, but when you divide both sides by 2a, it will be something like this, all over 2a, all over 2a, all this all over 2a, that is all this all over 2a. It will be something like this. Okay, or if you do not understand it like this, let me go and show you something. All over 2a, go like this, it will be something like this. It will be something like this. It will be minus b, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square, that is something like this, b square, then minus 4ac, that is 4ac, then all over minus 4ac all over 2a. You see, so your answer is clearly out now. That is, the formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. That is the general formula of quadratic equation. So you see, without wasting much of time, you see, when you repeat it simultaneously, it will give you something like this. You see, slowly, you see, first read it very well and see it. If you like, you can screenshot it like this. Very simple, it will not take time. It take a minute just because of you to, I take a minute for you to understand it very well. So my student, I will not let you behind. By God's grace, we will meet in next tutorial, but try to subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and goodbye.